Happy summer, everyone. This is the time of the year when we all tend to take a little break from our work and spend time with our family and friends, taking vacations, going on trips, having barbecues, having picnics, and cooling off on water parks and the beach. So let's make the most of whatever little time we get on in the summer. Go out and enjoy. Hi everyone, welcome to the 11th episode of my weekly market update for the city of Mississauga. The number of new listings have been falling gradually for the past 2 weeks, but the number of sales are equally going up, which means less supply and more demand, which should keep the prices up unless the buyers themselves decide to take a break. Here are the figures for the last week. In freeholds, we saw the number of new listings going down again to 197 and the solds going up to 79 and sold conditionals to 73. In the condo market, the numbers were not too different. Again, the new listings were down at 121, the solds were up at 57 and sold conditionals were unusually high at 191. That's it for the market update today. And if you would like to know what is going in the market, or if you would like to know the value of your property, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. And back in March, federal government announced the first time home buyers incentive program. We did not have a lot of detail back then, but just last week they came up with more information, and just for that I have made a video tutorial giving out the complete information, at least whatever information they provided us with. So please do take a look at the video. I have provided the link below in the description, and please share it with your family and friends, especially the ones who are the first time home buyers and would like to enter in the real estate market, so that they can be ready with their down payment by September. That's when they are taking the applications and take advantage of this incentive. And this is Ayub Mehta from Royal LePage. Thank you so much for watching my video, and God bless you everyone, and enjoy your summer. Bye.